Hello everyone. Welcome back to Sapna Master Ielts. This video is for 13th June Ielts exam review. What was the exam today? What were the questions? As usual, I always tell the reading passage's name, and here also, today also, I am going to tell you what were the names of the reading passages. And I always tell my student from where the exam can come, what are the expected websites. So here we go. First one was listening. Yes, overall जो exam था that was moderate. I already said yes, easy to moderate रहेगा. Listening section भी where we will have the blanks and the speed will be more than enough. Now moving on to the next part where we are talking about the reading. Reading में the passage one was relating to keeping healthy on work. It is related to the passage given in the prediction PDF which is available on my app. It is not the same. As I always say, the prediction PDF will not be the same one, but the similar type of question plus the similar type of reading passage you will find. Similarly, when I see this wool production in Britain, it is related to clipper race, which is available in my app. आप check कर सकते हैं, available on my app, and the questions are similar to the questions. It is not same. I am telling you that it is not same, but similar. Moving on to the next one. The third one is reading faces. I already said that one passage is going to be extra moderate. So yes, students, it was extra moderate. Moving on to our online classes plus one band ka difference even just after 10 days and our online classes ka review. Moving on to writing task one. Writing task one was related to bar graph, जो मैंने already बोला था कि वो bar graph रहेगा. It was total percentage of films released and total percentage of ticket sales. Moving on to this bar graph came, and the bar graph was already discussed. It was already discussed in our prediction PDF as well. Some people think that the best way to improve the road safety is to increase the minimum legal age for driving a car or a motorbike. To what extent do you agree? This was the question. Moving on to our online classes. Yes, if you want to get this kind of result, definitely you can contact us because next batch jaldi start hone wala hai. You can book your seat. 17 June ko batch start ho raha hai. These are the features which will be available in our batch. And if you want to score like this in just 10 days, just join the batch and don't waste your 15,000, 16,000 in the institutes. Also, we have launched our app. It is on Google Play Store, iOS, and the other people, they can download this app very easily. You will get the link in my description box. Just download the app, get the recorded lectures, as well as the prediction PDF, plus the templates, everything on my app. So Telegram pay, you will get the previous exam questions. Instagram pay, you will have the vocabulary, and online classes ke liye, we already have said that you will get the bands in just 10 days. So all the best guys. We'll see you in my next video. Ek like to banta hi hai. Take care.